Hello viewers, I am Tutor Dozy and this is Dozy tutorial. Alright, let's dive into this physics question that we have on our whiteboard. It is very simple. Have you imagined seeing this kind of question in your examination? Wow, it's difficult. No, it is not. It is very simple. Now let's tackle it. Alright. The energy associated with photon of a radio transmission at 3 times 10 raised to the power 5 Hz is given that Planck constant, you call this Planck constant, given that Planck constant is 6.63 times 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. Now let's solve it and know the correct option from here. Alright, now first, the energy of a photon equals what? Planck constant times frequency. Alright, this photon is what? The smallest particle or the quantum of light or electromagnetic radiation. Do you understand? The smallest particle or the quantum of light, what? Or electromagnetic radiation, that is photon. Now, this photon can emit or what? Absorb energy. It depends on its transmission. If it is moving from a lower energy level to a higher energy level, it tends to absorb what? Energy. And if it's moving from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, it emits what? Energy. Now, we are asked to calculate the energy that is associated with this photon or the particle of what? Light. Alright, so here energy equals, this is a simple substitution, right? Our Planck constant is already on the board, which is what? 6.63 times 10 to the power of minus 34 multiplied by the given frequency, which is what? 3 times 10 to the power of what? 5 Hz. Now, if you look at this, we are trying to multiply a larger number. Yes, but it is not difficult because we are going to use indices to solve it. Using index method, we have that E equals, we are going to multiply the ordinary numbers separately and we are going to multiply the standard numbers using indices. So we have 6.63 times 3 times 10 to the power of minus 34. Now, because it's multiplication, we are going to do what? Add the powers. Because you have multiplication sign here, we are going to add the powers. But if you have division, what do? We subtract. So we have minus 34 plus 5. This is a what? A law under indices. Why? Because their base number are the same. You have 10 here, you have 10 here. So we take one of it and we then add the powers. So this is equals, multiplying this with this, we have this okay, now times this, adding them, we have minus 34 plus 5 is what? Minus 29. Are we there? But none of these correspond to our answer. So we are going to do what? Approximate. For this, we have 19.89. If you approximate this, it will become what? 20 to the nearest whole number. Alright, so we have 20 times 10 raised to the power minus 29. Now, because it is 20, we have to reduce it to just one significant what? Number, which is 2 times 10 raised to the power 1. This is the standard form of 20. So we have reduced this to one significant number. Now, using indices times 10 raised to the power minus 29. Using indices again, we are going to operate on it. So we have E equals 2 times 10 raised to the power what? 1 minus 29. So we have that what? Our E equals to 2 times 10 1 minus 29 is minus 28. And this corresponds to what? Option A. This is the correct answer. Solving questions with indices is very, very simple. You have to understand the basic rules of indices. Follow us for more videos. Stay glued to gain value. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.